everyone, welcome to my channel Gabrieles Mist. I am Rose, me also known as vivikarrina. Today I have an unboxing to do. It's from your two soaps, so I will be opening this because here's my address, you know. I will be opening this and showing what I got in the mail. Okay, so taking this out. As you can see, I did a good purchase. So yeah, they were having a sale and I took advantage of it as I always do. So yeah, I wait until I got in my car everything I want or I need, then I make a purchase. So they were having a sale of glitters, biodegradable glitters, and also I got I need some micas for future soaps colors that I don't have. So I got bentonite clay. This is very good for your soaps. In some soaps it will make your soap go gray or maybe green in color. So if you don't want your soap to go gray or green, use kaolin clay, but bentonite clay is good also for masks. So I got 2 pounds. This was $2.49. So it's a good price. You can get it. You can get it also in wholesale supplies, but that's what I got there. I got another mold. This one is to compare with the brambleberry one. Just because I am like that. So we will see. Just because I am like that. Just a second though. As you can see, they are the same one. Yes, this mold is like the 18 bars mold from brambleberry. So I'm glad that I got another one. This one is more white. This one is like a yellowish color, creamy color, I don't know, gray color, but they are the same mold. Okay, brambleberry don't give you the measures for this mold, so now you know that they are the same mold. Ta-da! They are just the same. So I was gonna get another one from brambleberry, but I don't have to because now I know that the one from Neutral Soap that is free shipping. If you get to the $25, it's the same one. So this is the free. Okay, now we go to the other stuff. So I will be putting the prices in the screen because that way I don't have to look at the paper. I don't have to look at the invoice, and I can just show you what I got. So I got Maya Gold and mica. As you can see, it said there, mica powder. Honey blush. This one I love the color. I got the sample and I love it, so I ordered the ounce. Sugar and Spice mica. Look how pretty. Red Violet mica. This was a surplus. Another Red Violet mica. Because this one are not going to be on the website anymore, so I got 2 more. That is that. Then I got, let me get this first. Nice label. I got 3 Hugger glitter. How pretty the label, I like it. How pretty. I cut my nails because I damaged my soaps with the nails all long and everything, and I don't like that, so I cut my nails. 3 Hugger glitter. This one is very pretty. Look. Whiplash glitter. Very nice. This is 2 ounce. Glitterati. This was all in the on sale. Solar Storm. And as you can see, they changed the jars, so I'm not sure if they are going to keep doing this one or they changed to that one. Blue Blush Roach glitter. Blush Roach. This one is all purple neon. This one is in the surplus. This is the 1 ounce. Vixen glitter. Clover Patch glitter. Very nice. Similar to this one, but not the same. This have gold in it. This doesn't. Flirt Alert. Nice. Alter Ego. Oh, very pretty. I love this one. This is Moroccan Sky glitter. Beautiful. Very beautiful. This one, I think I already said this one, Glitterati. Yeah. This is Ultramarine Blue. Huge, right? 4 ounces. This is Red Iron Oxide. I use a lot of this. It makes a really nice red in your soap. Twinkling Light glitter. Okay. Those are those. Now I got this tip. This is the 172. Look. Then I got turquoise. I think I have 2 of this one because this was more expensive than this one, so I got two of the samples that were like $1. So I got sky blue. Two of those. And I got 2 white. 2 white glitter. Those are those. Then I got spring green. 2 of those. I got silver pile glitter. 2 of those. I got dark rose, 2 of those. I got violet, 2 of those. And I got 2 of the black. Okay, those are those. And I got this is a free item. I got another nice bottle and also a sample of oleander. I love this one. I forgot to order the full ounce and I got a sample, so thank you so much. I love it. So that is all for my haul. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Blessings. Bye bye. Love you all.